guys, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a flappy bird. It's not a flappy bird, it's a flappy parrot. Flappy parrot or parrot bird. Almost an impossible game, but I have beaten it twice. Now I'm gonna teach you how to make it. So before we start, make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button just in case if I post a new video. So yeah, let's get started. So what we need to do is go to cave 1, 2, 3, which is going to be a scrolling background because you know the normal background cannot slide, so it won't work. So cave 1. Go to events, drag and drop the green flag click, control to using forever, and go to the motion menu and drag out the code to log and operators the -1. Then we can do the variables. Go to the distance travel in here and operators drop this and this is 1 and 48 and yeah, just like this, and just drag and drop it, get it to another sprite and just change this to 2 like cave 1. So this one, so 2 and 2 and 3. Okay, so now it will end, but there is the distance travel is not counting. So oh yeah, we need to the distance travel too. This is the variables. You can create a variable called distance travel. Just make a variable and call distance travel or what's it? What's up? Wood parrot and green flag left forever if else statement and go to the sensing when if key space press and change Y by 10 or whatever I want to what, and if else change Y by -5. Yeah, that will do it. And oh yeah, there is 2 costumes in here. Explosion, we're not gonna use the explosion, so parrot A, parrot B and parrot A. So if press, I'm gonna use parrot B, or you might be want the parrot A. Yep, just like this. So it's fine, but the state is not sliding, so we need to go to the variables, change distance traveled by 6. I want 6. I'm stuck to what? Just like 6. And in above the forever, set distance travel to 0. It should work just fine. It's working. It's working. This is the final part. But it kept going. But you get the finish line, but he's kept going. Break the law. But anyways, this is it for, you can choose the backdrop or you can just do it. And this is it for part 1. You can wait for the part 2 of the video. There we can make a detail like winning and losing concepts and more details so that we can enjoy our game more. So okay, make sure to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button just to make sure that I have a new video soon. Bye bye, have a good day.